Okay, for case number 7, you're given 56,320 ounces, and you need to convert it into tons to find the culprit. Okay, if you look at your reference chart, we have ounces down here equals pounds, and then pounds equals tons. All right, these are the rules or the measurement relationships that you have. So we need to go from ounces to tons. That means we have to stop at pounds and then go to tons. So our first one box, since we know we're looking for 56,320 ounces, we're going to do our first step, which is to do ounces to pounds. Okay, when we find how many pounds that is, we can change that from pounds to tons. So our second one box will be pounds to tons. Okay. So let's start from the very beginning. Your original is always the rule from your paper. So we have 16 ounces for every 1 pound. So I'm going to write 16 ounces to 1 pound. And what I'm looking for is how many pounds are in 56,320 ounces. Okay. If you cross, multiply, anything times 1 is itself, and then we would divide by 16. So you need to come down here and do 56,320 divided by 16. Okay. 16 does not go into 5. 16 goes into 56 3 times, because 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4. All right, that's as high as you can go without going over. All right, we need to borrow. And I'm left with 8. Drop your 3. 16 goes into 83. I think 5 times is the highest it can go, because 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. All right, that's as high as you can go without going over. Subtract, we're left with 3. Drop your 2. 16 goes into 32 exactly twice. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Okay, but we're not done. I see a lot of students stop here because we reach 0 at the bottom. You still have a number listed at the top in your original problem. We need to finish carrying it down. 16 goes into 0 0 times. Every number that you're dividing needs to have a number over it. The zeros at the beginning don't affect the value, but everything to the very end needs to be accounted for. So your first answer is 3,520 pounds. And we're going to use that over here. So now we know our pounds. So we'll go from pounds to tons. Okay. Our original rule is 2,000 pounds makes 1 ton. So 2,000 pounds is equal to 1 ton. Okay. I have, remember down here, 3,520 pounds. And how many tons is that equal to? See, this is the last step in our problem to find tons. Okay? If you cross multiply, anything times 1 is itself. So we have 3,520, and we are dividing it by 2,000. Okay? 2,000 can't go into 3, 35, 320. 2,000 goes into 3,520 once. Okay, subtract, and we end up with 1,520. I'm going to add a decimal so that we can wrap this up evenly. Okay, 2,000 goes into 1,500. Let's see, that would be 7 times. 7 times 2,000 is 14,000. All right, now we have 1,200. 1 more 0. Okay, 2,000 goes into 12,000 6 times. All right. And if we subtract, we have nothing left, and I have no more numbers up top. So 56,320 ounces is equivalent to 1.76 tons. On your page, that would have been the twins, Andy and Ollie. To continue, you need to click right on his blue shirt. If you click on the other one or on his head, it won't let you go forward. You need to click on the blue shirt.